Are naloxone and naltrexone the same? Yes, they are. They're the exact same drug. One is the trade name and one is the generic name. They're both the antidote to an opioid overdose. These are provided in small kits that can be injected into the muscle or into the nose of a person who's potentially overdosed from opioids. These are safe drugs to give. There's no harm associated with it in people who've passed out from causes other than an opioid overdose. But these are things that we employ in the hospital for anybody who's come in with a coma that's unexplained. Very safe drugs to give. Again, naloxone and naltrexone or Narcan, they are all the same drug.